Married. Has a husband or wife. Single. Not married. Broken. In pieces, not working. Whole. Complete, not broken. Delicious. Tastes very good. Disgusting. Tastes very bad. Interesting. Makes you want to know more. Boring. Not exciting or interesting. Countable. Can be counted one by one. Uncountable. Cannot be counted one by one easily. Polite. Shows good manners. Rude. Not polite, can hurt others' feelings. True. Correct or real. False. Not correct, wrong. First. Comes before all others. Last. Comes after all others. Talkative. Likes to talk a lot. Quiet. Doesn't talk much. Pessimistic. Expects bad things to happen. Optimistic. Expects good things to happen. Top. The highest part of something. Bottom. The lowest part of something. White. A color like snow or milk. Black. A color like coal or the night sky. Careful. Taking caution to avoid mistakes or harm. Careless. Not taking caution might cause mistakes or harm. Formal. Official or proper. Informal. Casual or relaxed. Fragrant. Has a pleasant smell. Smelly. Has a bad smell. Public. open to everyone. Private. Not open to everyone, belongs to someone. Glad. Happy and pleased. Upset. Sad or angry. Useful. Helps you do something. Harmful. Can hurt or damage. Real. Genuine, not fake. Fake. Not real, made to look like something else. Ashamed. Feeling bad about a mistake. Proud. Feeling good about something you did. Busy. Having many things to do. Free. Having no plans or being available. Unemployed. Not having a job. Employed. Having a job. Sure. Certain about something. Unsure. Not certain about something. Clear. Easy to see or understand. Blurred. Hard to see or unclear. Confident. Believes in their abilities. Timid. Shy and not confident. Humble. Modest, doesn't brag about themselves. Arrogant. Thinks they are better than others.